Good evening. I am Bhupinder Sharma. We are into session 6, key to cross examination. Friends, today we deal with the testimony of expert witnesses. So, when you are faced with an expert witness in the witness box and you know that he is an expert in his own field and he has the experience, how you ask him the questions, what questions you ask him to pinpoint, and there are basically two things which you must keep in mind: the qualifications and the subject matter. First, qualifications. You have to ask him the questions relating to the qualifications, his schooling, his education, his degree, his work experience in the field, whatever he has done. Now, the witness can be asked some questions to test his knowledge about the books he had read on the subject, and ask him on the particular topic which books he had read and which books are authoritative, and whether he has read any article, whether he has himself written any article in the past 12 months. Ask him the authors whom he considers to be authoritative on the subject. This is one thing. Now, these questions and answers should be taken down and used to show that the expert has not the accurate knowledge in the field, or he has not worked in the field and he has no experience to give an opinion. Now suppose an expert comes and he says he comes with the DNA report. Now in this case, whether he had himself taken the samples or he was supplied the samples and the tests were conducted by another person working under him, you can ask him the name who conducted the tests and what is the name of the employee and how he considers his report, the test report given by an official working under him, to be accurate. So, whether the expert has been a member of any society of the scholars in that field, or he has been given any awards or any honor by the society, these are also the points which you can ask the expert. His relationship with the lawyer, your opposite lawyer, and old testimony which the expert has given in other cases can be of help to you. You can ask the expert in how many cases you have given the testimony regarding the subject matter. Find out the names of cases and you may be able to obtain the depositions or testimony given by the expert. Now, whether he has taken any notes in conducting the experiments You should lay your hands on the notes, ask him whether he has prepared any notes, and if he has, you can ask him to refresh his memory what steps were taken in coming to the conclusion which he says is correct, and what tests were conducted, and whether there were any other tests which could have been conducted to come to the correct conclusion. So ask the witness what tests were performed, where and when, and by whom. So important thing is, if the witness had all the time to do tests and all the tests were not conducted, not performed, what the result would have been? These are the questions you can put to the witness who is an expert. Thank you.